Hello dear children. Children, today we will learn how to write words with a sound. A, U. Okay, 3-letter words with U in the center. So first of all, how do we write U? Slant, and then how many times we are going up? 1 and 2. Let's revise. I, how many times we go up? 1 time. In W, how many times we go up? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now in U, we go up twice, 2 times. So we have to keep this in mind when we write a sound words. Okay. So first of all, I will teach you the joining of A with B, B with U. So because B ends on the first blue line, B ends here. We have learnt this kind of joining where the letters are ending on the first blue line. So in the same way, we will join U. So from here only we will start writing U. We will not write the starting stroke of U. Okay. So this is U and what did I say? But T. But. See here, we have made a little curve and straight away from here we have started writing U. No starting stroke. Then our next word is bug. B. Make this curve and directly from here we will write U and G. B-U-G. Bug. We will cut from the blue line. Bun. Okay. Then U and then can you see this joining? There is a curve. There is no point here. We have to make curves while joining. Okay. Now our next is C, joining with C. Our words are cub. Come down a little. So this is C. Now 2 times you have to go up, no? 2 times and then B. 1 and 2. Then next word is cup. See, after C, how many times we will go up? 2 times. 1 and 2. And after that we will write the next letter, which is P. Cup. Next we will write fun. Now see where F ends. F ends here. Then from here we will make a curved line and go up and then write U N. Fun. Okay, all curves. Fur. From here curve, go up, write U and R. Fur. Next with G, gut. It is easy. G. Now after making this tail, go up 1 and 2 and T. Then hut, hug, hum. With H, there are 3 words: hut, hug, hum. We will write hug. H Now from here we have to make a curve. Please remember children, all curves, no points. H, U, G, cutting from the blue line. We'll write hut also. H. Now 2 times you have to go up. 1 and 2 and T. Hut. Next is jug with J. J. Continue writing. Now go up. J, U and G. With M, mug. Oh, it's going out of the lines, children. You be careful, don't go out of the lines. M. Then curve and 1 and 2 and G. This formation of G is also a little. Then with N, nut, slant, curve 1, N, curve and write U. We go up 2 times. N, U, T, nut. Now children, see, when I am cutting T, I am not making a long line or a slant line this way or this way. Please cut it with a small line. Okay. None. We will write none also. Now see. This is N. Curve. 2 times we have gone up. U and then N. None. Clear? Now with P. Pup. Children, these days when you are writing P, your P is always slant. This way or that way. But we don't want slant P. P, then curve and then 1 and 2 and then P. It has separated from here, okay, but you be careful. Pug. P. Now P, can you see children? It is not full slant. Little slant and then we go up straight. P. Curve and then U. G. Pug. Next is rug. Slant, curve, R. Now 1 and 2 and then G. Rug. Run. I will show you all the 3 words. Run, rug, rub. All the 3 words I will show. R, then 1 and 2 and then N. Run. One more word with R is rub. Please see. R, then 1 and 2 and rub. Okay. Now we have S and T left. So with S we have sun and sup. Sub also. Let's write sun. Children, your S. I am not satisfied with the way you are writing S. S, You have to go up 2 times. U and sun. You are writing S like this. Many children are writing S if like this also. So this part should not be very big, please. And you will not make S like this. See how slant ma'am is going. Slant and then curve and make. So this should be straight S. It should not be slanted like this. After sun, sup. Now see, it is straight. S. Then 2 times you have to go up and then P, sup. Now tub and tug. It's little slant. Formation of T is clear with you. T, U and B. Next is tug, last one. T, 1 and 2 and G. I have covered almost all the words. 1 or 2 words must be left. So these are the words of a sound. Okay, practice. 2-3 words must be left. So you practice those also from the book. Okay. Bye. Happy writing.